Hi everyone, I am back with a new tour of my craft room. I have been having a sort out. There's still a lot to do. I've been watching a lot of organising videos and getting some ideas for sorting things out. The trouble is I have so many craft items that I do not know where to put them, how to sort them out. So I thought I'd give you a new tour of my craft room and just show you what I've been up to in the last couple of months. I don't know if you remember from my last video, under my counter here was everything was just stacked in these almost these stacker boxes, these ones here. And to be honest with you, when you need something out of those, it's actually a pain because you've got to pull everything out of there. So I went and bought a lot of these drawers that are 4 drawers down. I'll show you these ones here, and it does make my life a lot easier. So let me step back and show you this side of the room. Look, it is just it's better than it was. So that's all of those. I'll go through them in a minute. And then we have all of this stuff on the counter, which is my workspace, the 2 sewing machines. We have boxes here, boxes here. I bought some more of the stacker boxes. Excuse my floor, because this carpet is just old carpet, and I never changed it because it's just going to get glue and rubbish, and I have been working. So as you can see, there is a bin, and I have not hoovered yet because I need to do some more crafting later. This corner is my nemesis. I do not know what to do with it. I need that chair because that's a foot controlled sewing machine, so I need a chair there. This one is not. This is my new baby, and it's a stop start one, so I can sit up high. But I've left this sewing machine out because it's got my ruffle foot on it, which I'll explain all later. But anyway, this corner is my nemesis because I have a set of drawers here which has got lots of card and envelopes and lots of bits in, but you know, it's a pain to get at. This is all of my paper pads and paper stacks here and here. I really do not know how to reorganize all of this. This is craft stuff I'm not using as much. There are more craft things there. There are some stacker boxes with lots and lots of ribbon and oh, you know, your scraps. Oh my gosh, this corner here is about to fall over. Need to get on with it. The windowsill's not too bad. And then if I turn around here, I have 2 of these other stacker drawers, which are brilliant because they're on wheels. And as you can see, they are in front of my 2 wardrobes with my clothes in. So every time I need something, at least I can wheel these trolleys backwards and forwards. Look, so I have spent an absolute fortune on these stacker units and these drawers. So and up here are all my punches. On the shelf here we've got all the punches, and I'll just go through the things here. So if you see on here, that's my punches there, punches, more punches, my little punches there. These boxes need to be sorted out because they're all just stacked one on the other, and I think they are all this one here has just got all my bling in, you know, my bling, you know, like all of the sticky bling, and this box is just fit to burst with this with bling. And I think there's two boxes of those there, and not sure what's in those other ones. These are all tins that need to be sorted out. There, they were on my shelf, but I don't know at the moment. Let's have a look through here. These are all of my dies, and just loads and loads of all of my dies are in there. just full of dies. This one is vintage linens and hankies and some stamps in there. And then this drawer here is just rubber stamps and stamp blocks. This is just all stamps in here. And again, in this one, this is all just stamps. And I've just put everything. These are all my stamps, look. I need to go through them because they're just not getting used. Then in here, these have to be sorted out, but I have some kind of... this is for ribbons and, you know, your threads and baker's twine. So that one's all ribbon. This one's all ribbon. Lots of rolls of ribbon, and that's needs to be sorted out. And again, more ribbon and trim. In the bottom here, oh, we have wool. That's just wool in. Oh no, I can't shut it. Oh, okay, I'll have to shut that one off. These are just stacker boxes which I haven't sorted out. Just move that over and I'll show you these ones. This one has got fabrics and jute, what do you call this? It's got all different laces and mesh and cheesecloths and fabrics in that one. This one is, oh, they're just things that have been made. In here I have my jewellery. Look at that. Look, these just needs to be, I do have some things that are sorted out, but these are all, you know, charms and just lots of jewellery that needs to be sorted out. I have actually got one box that has been sorted out, which I'll show you. This one, believe it or not, look, these are my buttons. Are you serious, Channelle? Are you serious? What is that? This is just, if you can see, look, that is just full of buttons. All of my buttons are in there. This one here, washi tapes, which need to be sorted out. As you can see, it is a mess. Underneath here, I move that, are all my tissue papers and napkins. In here, they need to be sorted out. It's just a lot of card, really. Under here, what do we have here? Oh gosh, right. Okay, in these drawers, excuse the bin, we have, this is all like glue guns and embossing tools, electric things. This is full of die cuts, lots and lots of die cuts, which I do need to sort through. It's just bags and bags of full of die cuts, that one is. This one is full of, oh, when I used to do print out card making from CDs, that's full of all of that. And this is full of like not card blanks, yeah, card blanks and envelopes and you know, the mats, card mats that are already cut up. So that's full of lots and lots of different card mats, etc. Let's move that back. And then, oh, that's wobbling. In my other one, under here, I have all of my, this is like braid, lots of braids, different braids and trims. Just lots of trims in that one. This one has book pages and stuff that I'm working on at the moment, so lots of old book pages. This one is full of lace and appliques, flowers, gorgeous flowers there, and lovely, these are just the lovely trims that I have. the bottom one is all my sewing threads. So this corner here has my embossing folders, some cutting machines on the bottom. They are dies. These are stuff to be sorted out. This is all paper pads, glues. Up there needs to be sorted out. Here I have all different laces. So these are all laces. I have sorted them out. They're all lace. These are all my scissors. You know, like your decorative scissors, post-it notes, and sort of miscellaneous, and their pliers and things. That bottom one has envelopes in that one, I think. I was looking for those. Lots of little brown envelopes. These are my more sewing threads in there. My cottons. That needs to be sorted out. In here, oh my gosh, look at this. This is all my paper pads. Yes, I know. And card. Up here, oh, you see, that's kind of miscellaneous craft items. We have some ribbons in there. My trolley has all my stuff for my excuse me, junk journals. So we've just got old oddments of threads and not threads, trim and lace and fabric. Then I have all my glues under there, and just some books there. Now I've got to come back over this side now. In my drawers here, that one's empty, so we need to put things in that. These are more laces, which I need to tidy that drawer up. And this one these are all vintage fabrics. These are my posh, what I call my posh laces. And they've got like pearls and pom-poms. Really, you know, sort of very, very pretty. Oh, there's Charles. Hello, Charles. Laces there. So that one actually needs to be sorted out. But that's my posh ones. This drawer I did sort out. And I've sorted, these are all my flowers. These drawers are great. And if you get the little trays to fit in them, you can do some little compartments. And I think this was from Poundland. It's just a compartment box, which I thought was great because it's got the two sides. So I will be getting more of those because they are really, really cool. So they've got all my flowers in. And then we have more flowers and pom-poms and miscellaneous petals and things in that one. This one has all of my bags in here, my paper bags. And things for my journals. And this one has stickers, lots of stickers and oddments in there. Excuse me. Now this one, this is a drawer that I need to sort out. It's got all bits of ephemera and things that need to be sorted. Empty drawer, empty drawer. These are all ink pads. So this is full of inks. Another empty drawer. This one has, this is my bling drawer. Look at this one. I like this drawer. It's got all my little blingy bits. These are very good because, let me come down here. These are from Poundland. They're like for your makeup. So I have just put them in these drawers. Now the range, I got these from the range, these sets of drawers. I think there's 2, 4, 6, 8 drawers. And you can get quite a lot in them. This has got all my pads for my daubers and daubers. You know, if you're just dressing. So that's that. In here I have some just fabrics. These boxes are just, have got coffee dyed paper and things in them that are all for junk journals and clothes to be sorted out. So that is that. And then up here, now this is a bit of another nemesis is really, because I can't really get in here. You know, this is all book pages, for my journals. These are all book pages that I have took out, and there's all different variety of pages. So when I make my journals, I just take an assortment of pages. Up here we have more washi tape. That's washi tape, that's washi tape. These are all embossing powders there. Oh, these are just odd bits and pieces. Up here, my stickles, my Stampin' Up stamps, loads of stickles up there. And just to look at these shelves, I mean, I'm probably not using this space to my best ability, to be honest with you. And I need to try and get a better thing going on here. I mean, these are all stamps. These are on my cutting boards, my tag board, my different cutter there. And these have just got odd bits in here, and then there's some more little shelves, little baskets up there with things, and all these jars need to be filled with things really, but I haven't got round to it. I intend on doing that. Down here I have stuff that I'm working on at the moment, so my journal stuff, just oddments, my sewing machine, and here is all my different ephemera in these boxes here. And then stop it, my clues, things that I use at the moment, so that everything's at hand. You know, my scissors, my tools. So this is my little workspace here. And in here, this is all ephemera, and they are quite organised, the ephemera, actually. If you see here, they're like little boxes, but I'll get them out and do another video for them. So that's where I'm at with my craft room. I could really do with someone just coming in and spending a week in here and organising me. But you'll see I am making headway. I get it sorted out and then I unsort it. But I hope you've enjoyed a tour of my craft room, and I would love to hear from you all to see, you know, what solutions you have or any ideas, because this area here is just a pain. I can't get to the stuff at the back, and I don't know where to put all this stuff. I just have too much stuff, I guess. There are more baskets here. I have some, this is just paper in these ones. Junk journal, tea dyed, coffee dyed paper in those there. And these have just got buttons and paper clips and things. And those drawers there have, oh look, I've got more folders there with rubber stamps in. So lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. I just love sharing all of my craft things with you all. So take care for now, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.